Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I'm really excited to show you this phenomenal triple extender for your laptop that this brand sent to me for this video. I gotta tell you, I tried this one last night and it's phenomenal, especially for working from home. If you only have a laptop and you're always just with your laptop here and there, you can take this with you on the go and have a triple 15.6-inch monitor. It's dual right here. Of course, it's two monitors, but it's gonna be triple with the actual laptop screen. This thing, I gotta tell you one thing, it is a heavy unit, okay? It's not super heavy, but it's heavy on the usual because this thing packs power and packs resolution. But if you're thinking about putting this one like in your purse or something like that, you may need a carry-on bag separately because I wanna say that it's a little bit heavy. It comes with a stand, as you can see over here, it comes with its own stand. I almost drop it. That at the same time, you can put it in vertical mode if you also. For example, if you want to use your laptop in vertical mode, you can just close this screen and only use one monitor like this, which has auto rotation. I think that is actually phenomenal. I gotta tell you that it's a really good idea. But if not, you can put it in the laptop. We're gonna do that right away in just a few seconds. Also, this one comes with all the cables and the actual charging. It's not a charging cable, but it's a cable that you're gonna put right here on the actual monitor. And at the same time, let me tell you, it is 1080p native and it looks phenomenal. Let's connect it to the laptop. And this is how easy it is. You will connect the actual device, the actual monitor, to the outlet, to the power outlet with one cable, and then with the other cable, you will connect it to the Thunderbolt port in your laptop, so you will have image in both. As you can see right here, this is a 14-inch laptop, and you still have room to put an up to 17-inch laptop in this place. That is why there's some black covers right here, black line, because this is a 14-inch laptop, but you can actually extend that and make it to be, of course, full display, full image in both monitors right here. But I gotta tell you, it is phenomenal. You can extend it, you can duplicate them, you can actually put in one like a spreadsheet and the other one the email and the other one just like working in the laptop. It is phenomenal, I gotta say. And of course, remember that you can put it in vertical mode and just put it on the side and it will auto rotate. This thing is phenomenal, really well made. I like it. And for working from home, I think this is a must have.